Hey,
Recording.
hey, so my mail just came and I bought some crap off eBay because I'm good at that. Um, so what you're seeing on my bench here is the screws off of a Ducati Superbike. Um, it looks like junk, but if you look at it on the table here, this was $40. It was $40 shipped to my house. So I'm here to tell you if you need to replace screws on your Superbike, this is my 848. It does have 72,000 miles. In 72,000 miles, I have lost some bolts. Um, some bolts just start looking like crap. They start getting corroded from the grime and stuff off the roads. Um, so losing the bolts, pretty much, that's the biggest thing. When I bought this bike in 2008, when I took it in for the 600-mile service, I was missing fairing bolts. So this is your fairing bolt right here. So at the Ducati dealership in 2008, that bolt was just under $6, and I think I needed three of them. So now I'm at a point where I probably have a tray of these, um, both in silver and in black, because typically the 848 had the silver ones. Um, and when I saw that I think the 1098S, the 2008 or 2009 1098S came with black ones. I went out and I bought black ones. I bought the same thing, the bolt kit off of a totaled 1098, so I could have black bolts. But you see that just in the fairing bolts alone, it paid for all the bolts you have here. Plus, I have all the smaller fairing bolts, but these are gold. If you can get these little plastic grommets that go on the bolts, if you can get these, that protects your plastic. So most guys, when they take their bike apart and those fall to the ground, they just leave them. To me, that doesn't make sense because then your plastic starts getting eat up. Uh, Out of this kit, I only found six six of the Chinese bolts. So if you ever go on eBay and you look at those kits, I think they're like, I don't know, $10 to $20, and they have a whole bunch of bolts that say they fit your bike. This is the junk that you get. It's not really made for your bike, but what they do is they take the bolt and then they take the little spacer, and that is supposed to replace what originally came on your bike. I don't like it. I think if you paid up and got a Ducati, you probably need to stay away from the Chinese bolts. But I've got all the fairing bolts and more to replace some of the ones that are worn on mine. Plus, my Ducati friends know that if they ever need a bolt for their bike, they can come here and I probably have it. But when I'm working on somebody's bike and they're missing the cover for the bleeder valve on your clutch or your brake, you know, it's nice to have extras because you don't want crud getting up in there. Um, I mean, even things like this bolt here, this is off the battery terminal. So when they took the bike apart, they just took everything. Horn, I don't really need a horn. This is your piece that goes up under the seat. You got these long ass things that hold the motor on. But you end up with a whole bunch of stuff that you may or may not ever use, you know, for your rear wheel. Um, but it's nice, you know, 40 bucks, you get all these bolts and you have plenty of spares. So think about it next time that you need one single bolt for your Ducati, and think about how long you're going to keep your Ducati. Are you going to buy another Ducati? Because pretty much all these bolts are interchangeable. And like I said, this is probably the third set that I've bought for a Superbike. I bought a couple from the 1098S so I could make sure I had enough black bolts. Um, and then I bought this one. This one said it came off of an 848 Evo, but I have a feeling it probably came off of a 1198, maybe a 1098. I don't it's kind of small, so it could have came off of a 848, but I don't remember an 848 coming with black bolts, but I could be wrong. But anyway, save yourself some money. Um, just buy bolts off of eBay that have come off of a wrecked bike. As long as you're getting this amount of bolts for under $50, you did pretty good. So I'm just trying to give you a tip on how to save some money. So thanks for watching this video. If it helped you out, just give me a thumbs up, please.